Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Wadena County in north-central Keysota, Beltrami County in north-central Keysota, Cherokee County in north-central Keysota. Doppler radar indicated a dangerous tornado on the ground near Elmora. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hiram, Elmora, Trent, Nateville. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see or confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. A large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.